In this video, we're going to talk about Maple AI. So Maple AI is an artificial intelligence tool designed to help users complete tasks more quickly and efficiently. It uses AI to understand the user request and provide useful information and help you generate content and assist with different types of work. The main purpose of Maple AI is to make everyday tasks simpler by allowing users to interact with AI using natural languages. So, Maple AI offers several features that actually can help or improve your productivity. Like it can understand natural language questions and instructions, so which allows users to communicate with it in a simple and conversational way. Secondly, it can generate content, so like write responses, ideas, or summaries, so it can do that. And another useful feature is that its ability to assist with research and information gathering, so helping users find and organize information more efficiently. So Maple AI can help you to save time and improve productivity by assisting with repetitive or time consuming tasks. So you can simply go to the official website, the Maple AI's website, and you can try it. You can create an account and you can try using it. So you will have, once you're done with the login or sign up process, you can start interacting with the AI by entering their questions or instructions. And it's pretty much a useful tool that can help users work smarter and save time. Its ability to understand natural language and generate content, it's like a valuable tool for a wide range of users, which you can give it a go and try. The artificial intelligence continues to develop, and tools like Maple AI can make actually tasks easier and help people focus more on our creative work and task as well. So you can give it a go and see.